Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about making stickers or using alternative for stickers if you don't have one, and also about K-pop journaling. This will be my first time doing K-pop journal spread, so I'm really excited. Let's begin. First sticker idea is die cuts. Starting with, I'm painting some florals. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I'm obsessed with florals and practice them. So I thought, why not to make floral stickers? I have more floral painting videos on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I'll link it in description. For painting, I'm using round brush in size 3 and acrylic colors. For leaves, I'm using flat brush in size 4. Now, making some planner stickers. Sorry for mess in this breath, I didn't notice my brush pen ran out of ink. Now I'm coloring using brush pen and acrylic colors which were left while painting florals. I always wanted to add floral wreath in my sticker collection, so making couple of them. Though I'm not perfectionist in making them, but I enjoy the process. If you're not artsy, you can print the images from Google or Pinterest. I have drawn borders around so that I can cut them evenly, and also I painted some more florals. I am cutting along the margins which I drawn before. You can stick them as die cuts using glue. I'll show how I use them as die cuts in my journal at the end of the video. Similarly, I have cut rest of the stickers. Another idea is using sticker paper. They are very cheap, like I bought this sheet for ₹10. I'm lettering few things that I would like to add in my planner or bullet journal. If you use sticker paper, you don't need to glue them. They can be peeled off very easily. Similarly, cutting them as well from the edges, leaving little space. Third idea is the extension of first one, that is using transparent sticky tape. Peel off some sticky tape. Make sure sticky side of the tape is towards top. Now place die cuts over the tape facing colored side to the bottom. Instead of painting, you can use printed images or doodle some of them. For inspiration, you can watch my last video. I'll link it in cards at upper right corner right now. Place tracing paper or butter paper over sticky tape and cut the excess. You can see how shiny they look, like actual stickers. I think I have enough stickers. Let's store them in my handmade paper pockets. I can use these stickers to make weekly spreads and writing codes during busy weekend. Now here is the exciting part of the video, that is K-pop journaling. I am figuring out how I want my spread to look like. I printed some BTS images from Google for the spread. K-pop journaling is new thing for me and it was inspired by AmandaRachLee's video. You may have already watched her video. In case you don't, I will link it in description. I lettered BTS and ARMY on sticker paper and you can see how easy they are to peel off. Since this is my very first spread, I thought to write lyrics of my favorite songs. I'm just trying to understand K-pop journaling thing. Comment down below if you want me to make more such spreads in future. I can definitely make some. I enjoyed a lot making these spreads. It was so much fun. Here I have other alternative for using stickers, that is using washi tape. You can cut the washi tapes into various shapes and use them as stickers. And here is the final look of my very first K-pop journal spread. Comment down below your views about this spread. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel for more such bullet journal videos. Thanks for watching.